To accept a check on the Barclays app, you will need to have a Barclays current account and be registered for the Barclays app. First, open the Barclays app on your mobile device and log in to your account using your passcode or fingerprint ID. Once you are logged in, select the account you want to pay the check into from the account list, then tap on the menu icon and select Pay and Transfer, followed by Pay in a Cheque. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the check. So make sure the check is signed and dated. Place the check on a flat surface with good lighting, and ensure all four corners are visible. Take a clear photo of the front of the check, making sure the barcode and sort code are visible. Then flip the check over and take a photo of the back. The app will then ask you to confirm the amount and select the account you want to pay the check into. Review the details carefully to ensure they are correct. Then confirm the payment. You will receive a confirmation message once the check has been accepted, and the funds will be available in your account after the check has cleared. It is essential to keep the check safe until it has cleared. In case the bank needs to see it, accepting a check on the Barclays app is a quick and easy way to pay in a check without having to visit a branch.